Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday and date is 13 July 2024. Today we are going to do analysis of XRP Ripple coin. As you see chart on my screen, step by step we will do the analysis of this coin. Firstly we go to the higher time frame. Here you can see the monthly time frame. Here we see here one horizontal line which shows the very good support of this coin. Check guys, exactly Ripple coin took the support at this level and showing upward direction. If we check in lower time frame, weekly time frame, here we can see the bullish breakout. Okay, weekly breakout we can see here, and one more confirmation we are getting here, which is a bullish engulfing candle is formed on weekly time frame. Okay, so guys, we can check in daily time frame also. You can see here guys, I draw two lines here. One is trend line and one is horizontal line, which shows the swing resistance. Okay, so guys, today both these resistance are broken here and price showing upward direction. Very aggressively buying I am seeing here, and very few days this very aggressive buying we can see in this coin. I think this coin will be the next Bitcoin as per my technical analysis. So guys, if you like my technical analysis, please subscribe my channel and like the video so I can motivate. So guys, my channel is new, please do support, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. We will see in next video.